just have to go make something work. You know what you can do? Just throw the asphalt on the road same way, man. You don't need no road, the road is full of traffic every day, you know. The car them roll over the asphalt by themselves, man.
Yo, man, I call Mr. Richards. Like, a long time we done the work, you know, my, if you lift up off your saying on my youth. Jano star.
You don't need no roller. Hold on there. Mr. will call you back. Omar call me.
Afternoon, Mr. Richards.
Yes, Omar.
Yeah, Mr. Richards. Mr. Coffee make a know, so we done work on the road already, you know, Mr. Richards.
You done the work? Good.
Yeah, man, long time we done work on it, man.
So the picture them there. Come on, say where look like
Come,
it.
Mr. They picture them about 30 minutes or so ago, Mr. Richards.
You send them to my WhatsApp?
Yeah, man, check for them, man.
Hold on there. Lord have mercy. Omar. What is Omar?
What do you mean by what is, sir? The work not look good?
Yes, Omar, it look good, but it look too good, Omar.
What do you mean by too good?
Omar, me ask you a question. You want to work sometime next year?
But of course, I want to work next year. What have to do with not, Mr. Richards?
So when you fix the road this good, Omar? Oh, you're going to get work next year. You can't fix the road so good, Omar. I'm telling you a long time, so you can't fix the road so good if you don't want to get back the work. You have to make sure so the road can mash up in 6 months or less, Omar.
Mr. Richards, I'm just do the work like I'm supposed to do to Mr. Richards. The best of my ability, you know. Jano star. So where you going to do you now?
Yeah, me know. Me know where you going to do, you know. We have to go find a way to add some hill and gully and some trenches down the road there.
Jano star.
Find a way and send back the picture of them, Omar, because I don't like that work there. That work they look too good.